Is your Vizio TV showing annoying white spots or bright dots on the screen? Don't ignore it. This usually means a hardware issue that can get worse fast. Here's how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's jump straight into the solution. Those white spots or dots usually come from failed LED backlights or damaged diffuser layers inside your TV. Sometimes it's loose internal connections. The good news is you can actually fix this yourself if you follow carefully. Step 1. Turn off your TV and unplug it completely. Let it sit for at least 2 minutes. This resets internal power and prevents damage while working. Step 2. Do a quick flashlight test. Turn the TV on and shine a flashlight at the screen. If the image is still visible behind the spots, your backlight LEDs are the problem. Step 3. Lay the TV face down on a soft surface like a bed or towel. This prevents screen damage. Step 4. Remove all screws from the back panel. Keep them organized because different sizes matter. Step 5. Carefully lift the back cover. Do not force it. If it feels stuck, check for hidden screws. Step 6. Locate the LED backlight strips. They are usually behind a white panel layer. You will need to gently remove the layers on top. Take your time and keep everything in order. Step 7. Inspect the LED lenses. White spots often happen because the small plastic lenses fall off or shift. If you see loose lenses, reattach them using a tiny drop of heat-resistant glue. Step 8. If LEDs are burned out, replace the entire LED strip. Do not replace just one LED unless you are experienced. Matching brightness is important. Step 9. Check all ribbon cables and connectors. Make sure they are firmly connected. A loose cable can also cause display issues. Step 10. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Make sure layers are aligned perfectly before closing the panel. Even slight misalignment can cause new spots. Now here's a pro tip. Before closing the back panel completely, power on the TV and test it. This saves you from reopening everything if something is still off. Also remember, if your TV is under warranty, do not open it. You might void it instantly. If this feels too advanced, a repair shop can do it, but this method can save you a lot of money if done right. If you try this and get stuck anywhere, drop a comment below. I will personally reply within 1 hour and help you out. And if this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more fast and practical fixes. Your TV is not dead yet. You've got this.